If you arrive early, there's literally no lines. We've arrived just as it opened at 11 o'clock. We're flying through the lines. We've been able to just get right to the front. We've made it to Six Flags, Whitewater, and we're ready for a fun day.
I'm so scared to go on the tornado again.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. But this time you're going backwards.
There's the tornado!
Okay, first up, Caroline and I are going down the tornado. Like one big toy bowl. I'll ask to go backwards.
Alright, you're scared to go backwards?
I am.
You're scared? Okay, I won't make you go backwards. I'll put them out.
Don't worry, honey.
You're going backwards.
Oh, what?
You're going backwards.
Oh, honey, it's okay. I'm gonna go. We're still early, so we're gonna ride it again. Caroline had a blast.
That was fun.
One of the first things we did was come here for this as the very first ride because we knew that the lines get so busy.
I was expecting to flip over, but no, I didn't.
How was it when you were diving down?
I was expecting it to be way more faster.
It was fast, but not as dramatic as you thought.
Yeah, I thought I would flip off.
You had fun?
Yeah.
10 out of 10?
More like a 9 out of 10 because I wasn't expecting to go backwards. Backwards again.
You want to go backwards again?
I don't know. I found it way more fun than going forwards.
So going backwards is actually way better? Mm-hmm. Going down for the second time. Here we go.
So who's gonna make go backwards last time?
She liked it.
You wanna go backwards this time? Alright. You got someone on, alright?
Okay.
So,
ready?
That's how you get over your fear. You kind of make them do it.
There you go. Woo!
I did.
The lady said you were skipping down that like a stone. She said you were flying on the surface of the water, but you weren't even like, yeah.
Wait, I was flying? I flew?
Yes. All right, so they've had this one area closed off until 12 o'clock. It's just about 12 o'clock and we're about to enter the next area.
All right, guys. It was actually much slower than I thought, just a few twists. I think you'd like it. It's only dark for like the first 2 seconds and you can see all the light once you hit the turns.
How was that one? That one that I just went on was so much fun. I think my mom would have loved it.
Slow.
Let's summarize for me. Okay, it was so funny, so fast. And water in the outside when you are about to go in.
Next up is the Typhoon Twister. Kiara and Carolina are headed down it with me.
I love this ride and I love all the rides. I think it's the best water park that I've ever been to. I'm gonna get into the back. I have to be comfortable. The back! Let's go!
Just finished the Typhoon. It was a lot of fun. I went backwards. The girls did not want to go backwards.
I wanted to.
You wanted to go backwards?
Not true. I wanted to go backwards. Kiara didn't.
Kiara was petrified. And so we went backwards. It was fun. So one benefit of coming either on a holiday or really early is that you don't have to have an express pass, and the lines are way less than they would be on typical days.
Can I film this one?
Yeah, sure. Oh, you? Yeah. Sure.
Right now, I'm about to go down this blue slide. Hope it doesn't make me fall. This is way more faster than I expected!
But it's just about lunchtime and the lines are starting to pick up.
Just a little side note, sidebar for food on premise. You can't bring any water or food with you, so everything here is super expensive, almost 3 times what you'd pay normally anywhere else. So if you plan to eat here, plan to spend some money. It's really expensive.
We just went and got lunch. Everybody's got something different. We've got burgers, chicken nugget, salad, and a pretzel. They went to a little icy shop for ices and we're all eating. We're gonna have a bite to eat and then we're gonna go back on the rides. They're all having a blast. This place has so much to do. We've been here for about 3 hours and we're only halfway through. First ride with Ciara. She and I are riding up this green ride. I don't know the name of it. I'm gonna have to find the name. Very tall stairs, winding all the way up. It looks like an older ride. It's right at the entrance when you enter the park. Looks like it's gonna be fun.
It's really just the darkness. You see how dark it is in there?
It'll be fun.
That's an actual ride.
Yeah, you just have a snap back.
Yeah, could you imagine? That's called the dive bomber. It goes straight down. River. That was fun.
It was really fun. It was just really dark.
I love that ride. It was so easy. It was super calm. Runaway River. That one was fun. Runaway River. Dive bomber was closed. The
Dive bomber.
That's the dive bomber. Woo, no thanks. Can you imagine? Straight down.
You have to be super brave to do that.
What's that?
You have to be super brave to do that.
It also has to be on. It's not on today. Okay, we love the Runaway River so much that we got the family and we're going to do it another time. Yes, telling Carolina and Chloe all about it. Andrew's here, excited.
Looking forward to it too. I think this might be our last ride of the day, so it'll be a nice family ride together.
So the hardest part of this one is actually walking all of the stairs. No elevator, sorry.